Hi, this is Rebecca TOTILO with Aroma Hut, and I wanted to talk to you today about some of the basic recipes you can use for making your own essential oil blends. Now that you have a basic knowledge and understanding of how to blend essential oils together for aromatic or therapeutic use, you can follow these simple recipes that I'm going to give you as a guideline for preparing your own products. So today I would like to share with you how to make a basic massage oil recipe blend. And these are really easy to follow basic instructions for making a massage blend. Now you get to decide what essential oils you want to use depending on the type of massage oil that you're making and the effect that you're looking to get. What you're going to need is 1 ounce of carrier oil, or you can use a lotion or gel. We're going to be adding 9 to 15 drops of the top note essential oil, 6 to 10 drops of middle note essential oil, and 3 to 5 drops of base note essential oil. And you're going to need a bottle to put this in. I recommend that you use a glass bottle that's probably dark with a color, like a blue, green, brown bottle. So what you're going to first do is pour your carrier oil or lotion or gel into the bottle. And then you're going to be adding your essential oils 1 drop at a time, starting with your base note, followed by your middle note, and then your top note. Now the reason we do it in that order is because we want to start with the heaviest oil first. That's the one that's going to last the longest, and we don't want to put so much in there that it will become overwhelming or overpower you. So you want to add just that first 1 drop and then build on that. Now, after you add all your oils, you're going to put the top back on the bottle, shake it up, and make sure everything mixes well together. All you now have to do is just add your label with your name, ingredients, and the date that you created it, and just use as normal. Hope you enjoyed that recipe. Let me know how it turns out in the comments below.